download full versions. If you download the full version, it is very easy to run some programs in Python. So first you need to click on the list of the projects we can create. Here I am going to select pure Python only, or else if you need Django, you can select Django. If you need Flask, it is a framework for Python, you can select Flask. If you need to create a Google app, you can select this one. All the things according to your requirement you can select. Here my requirement is I'm going to create a Python project, so I'm going to select pure Python. Once I'll click on it, so I would like to open current window only. Okay, once the project is created, so here you need to give right click, select. If you need a traditional way, you can create Python package. Insert that package, you can create Python file, or else you can directly create a Python file. So name it as sample program. So here the file is open. So we need to do some arithmetic operations, right? So here I'm going to assign some values to here. A is equals to 3, b is equals to 4, and c is equals to a plus b. I'm going to print the statement c. Yes, so go to run, click on run here, sample program. You can see the output. So if you perform some arithmetic operations, you need to assign some variables. For that you need to assign some values. In Python, ideally you can directly perform these arithmetic operations. In Python and Eclipse IDE or other IDEs, you need to assign variables. A is a variable and we had assigned that value called 3, and b is a variable, we had in that value called 4. So we are going to perform addition here, so that's why c is equals to a plus b. So once perform this, so we need to print the statement print c. We print to creating bracket c. How to configure Python with Eclipse IDE? So actually I have worked out some programs in Eclipse IDE, so it will be very easy for me because I am very familiar with Eclipse IDE. That's why I always prefer Eclipse IDE. I had done some programs, I had practiced well, I had executed some different programs for banking applications, all the things I had done. So here we're going to know about how to configure Python with Eclipse. So just go to help and click on Eclipse Marketplace. Once you click on Eclipse Marketplace, you will see this search button. So just type Python here and press enter. So once you press enter, this list will be appear. So you need to select this second one, PyDev Python IDE for Eclipse 6.20 version. So you need to select this version, and once if you click on install, so this plugin will be installed. So automatically the Eclipse IDE will be restarted. In my Eclipse I had already configured with PyDev, with a PyDev here. Before that you need to download Eclipse from their website, Eclipse download. So from their official website you need to download Eclipse. If you are using Windows, you need to select for Windows file. If you are using Linux, you need to select for Linux. Whatever the operating systems you are using, you need to select according to your requirements. As once the website is open, so you need to select according to your requirement. So my PC is 64-bit, so I had downloaded the latest version called Oxygen. So this is the download page from their official website only. You can download Eclipse. So after downloading Eclipse, you need to install in your local PC. It's a normal. If you download it, the next will be there is an executable file, right? So next, if you press next, the file will be installed automatically. Once the installation is done, so you need to configure with Python. So as I already said, so go to Eclipse Marketplace in help menu and type here Python, press enter. So you need to select this one, that's it. After configuration with Python, you need to know whether the Python is configured or not. So you need to create your own project in Eclipse. So just go to new and you can clearly see here this PyDev project. You need to select this PyDev project. Once you click on PyDev project, you need to give the project name. So I am going to giving the name called first test script in Eclipse. Once it is done, so automatically these packages and all will be created. Inside this, you need to create one package, Python package. I'll give package name is first test. So after that, one file will be created automatically. So this is the package. Inside this file will be created automatically. So if you want, you can create one more file called PyDev module, some nothing but PyDev Python file. So just give first test one. So that's it. So you need to select this one. So you are going to work with unit test or you need to going with blank. So as of now, I am going to select with blank because we need to know how to configure Python with Eclipse and we need to create one project. If you see, these are unit test, these are empty. So I'm